Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be basically working with Microsoft Bing Image Curator, and we're also going to be using Midjourney, and we're just going to do some travel models. So here's Midjourney, a little bit of a chaotic mess when you're first starting out, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually not that bad. So let's go ahead and get our prompt. We are going to be doing travel models who are travel agents. So, craft a compelling image of a travel agent model exuding both professionalism and wanderlust. Envision her in a chic and sophisticated attire of travel that topics in the tropics, seamlessly blending the worlds of fashion and travel expertise. Describe her confident style and the captivating allure that reflects her passions for exploration of tropics and ocean. So, as you can see, we got some cool images. This is Bing we're using right now. Sometimes I just have issues with the wording. Obviously, you can see there you would have to edit it, but also sometimes the model's faces just look too plastic surgery-ish. No shade if you do plastic surgery, but like this one looks reasonable. We would have to edit the wording. If you go back here, we would have to edit the wording. The clothing doesn't look too bad. The hands here a little over saturated. She doesn't look too bad. This one is just like that typical model that you see, and I just wish I could find a way to make the models look like normal average people. So let's see what else we get. There's actually some really cute stuff here. Like I like this flat lay. Everybody's always doing flat lays. So it kind of gave us a few options to work with. And let's check out this. Also, very nice. The one here looks like it could be in like a magazine, and lots of options. So they kind of just make the collage for you already. And so we're just going to go ahead and start saving some of the items we like. Like this is a really cute one. Also very nice. Again, you would have to edit the wording, and you can actually do that in Canva. You can edit all of this out or any other imaging program you have, but also look at the face. So you would have to edit that as well. So sometimes that can be a little tricky. So I really like this one because it's giving the travel guy, travel agent look. So we're going to download that one as well. So now we're going to go over to Midjourney, and we use the exact same prompt, and let's go over and see what we got using this particular prompt. So there was a lot of issues with some of these images. So do you see the issues? Like her pants don't even look legit. She has extra fingers. So like a lot of times you got to really, really look at this stuff before you go ahead and upload it if you're doing something professional. Again, Midjourney, if you can use those images, no problem, but Bing you cannot. Look at the pants there. Look at the hand. All these things, you got to look at it carefully because people are starting to catch on and can tell. If you're an artistic person, you could tell what's, AI generated. So you want to make it as real as possible. Some of the models, sometimes they look dopey. This one, her pants, like, did she cut off her pants? I'm not entirely sure. This one is not too bad, but then her hand on the left there, it looks weird. But we're going to download it anyways because we could just crop out her head and use that as well. This one was actually reasonable. This wasn't too bad. So we'll download this one. I don't know what happened there. And now we get these. They have a slight cartoonish kind of look to them, but we're still going to download them anyways and just see what we can get. So we're just going through these images. So you get a lot of different variation. I think maybe I might have made the prompt maybe too much writing. I think I would have made it less. Sometimes when you put less is more, Oh, this one looks not bad. Again, I would crop her head. Her fingers don't look too bad. I can't really tell 100%. But we can download this and we can work with it. So you know, you can make a workaround with these things. And you know, if you are into editing, you can edit it. That's the best thing. Is post processing is the key. What the information I'm giving you now is just the beginning. Okay, so I was gonna actually use that background, and then I changed my mind because it wasn't giving what I wanted it to give. So we're actually gonna delete this, and we're just gonna do our signature 2500 by 2500, and we're gonna make sure we upload all our images here. So we're gonna click all of the ones. I'm still getting used to downloading stuff on my iPad. Again, I am weird like that. I go through using PC and my iPad at the same time. But whatever. Anyways, it works for right now. So we're gonna open that up, let them load up, and then we're gonna start making a collage. But again, like I said, this water is beautiful and I like it and everything, but I don't think it's gonna go for the look that we're going for. So let's try and see if we can find something else. See, it's just not working. Yeah, not working. So let's try something else. Okay, so we're going to use a grid function, and we're actually going to add all our images to the grid. And we're just going to make like a quick sample flyer just for fun, um, not putting 100% thought into it. Now, this is a mix between Midjourney and Bing. So I think they're kind of cohesive. I think they're pretty good. Usually you get quite different designs, but I think this is not bad. So it's interesting. Everybody's wearing like the hat. So it seems very Australian centered. I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, so let's quickly try and see if we can edit this and try and make it like a travel flyer for like a exclusive travel agency. Okay, so we got our final look. It's just very basic, and I just wanted to show you how you can put together images. These are two different generators that we use, but actually not too bad. Very, very cute. I would have fixed the font and everything like that, but this is just a general guide, but you can take this and run with it. If you love this type of stuff, if you want to see other things, just don't forget to comment below and don't forget to save and follow. Bye.